One of the most common and worst texting mistakes that turn women off and you must avoid at all costs is being indecisive when you want to invite a girl out on a date. I am going to read this texting mistake to you, explain you why such mistakes turn off women, and also give you some tips to avoid those type of messages. Wanna go to a Mexican restaurant on Friday night? The guy says. The girl says okay. The guy answers, or we would go somewhere else if you like. How about Indian instead? It's up to you. As you see here, after the girl says okay, the guy continues saying about other options for a date. That turns a girl off because she gets first confused and second, she sees that the man doesn't know where he wants to go on a date with a girl. On the top of that, the man says, it's up to you. This passes the responsibility to the girl, which is something girls don't want. Girls want to be led and not take responsibilities for dates and things like that. The way you can avoid that is having 1 to 3 places in mind before you start even messaging any girl. That way, if the girl accepts a date, you just schedule the time to meet up with her. If she doesn't like your first proposal for a date, you can have other 2 options where she can choose one of those 2 options. Of course, you throw the one option after another and check her response. If she doesn't accept 3 options, you probably don't have many things in common with a girl. Then you can just try to invite her home because there may be no other common interest between you. If you are facing any of those problems, if she's leaving you on read, if you are getting ghosted, and you want more matches, dates, and XXX with cute girls from social media and dating apps, then you can click the link down in the description of this video and download your 100% free bonus, the 21 shocking texting mistakes guys make that turn women off. You will receive your free bonus straight up in your mailbox, and inside your bonus you will find also an additional bonus, which is a video created by one of the world-class dating coaches who specializes in online game and texting.